Hi WRCC fans, and it's been a while. I've got a Easter special at WRCC, and it's one that we've had before. It is this 1956 Sandy Beige split screen traveller. I'm surprised, I think we sold it before without ever doing a video for it, so it's previously unseen. However, the last owner's had it about 4 years. We bought it as an unfinished lockdown project just after COVID, and then we finished it off, put some new interior in it and whatnot, and sold it to the previous keeper, who has had it 4 years and only done 5 miles in it. It has one previous keeper on the logbook, plus you've got this keeper that's just had it, and then the BU. So it's got 2 previous keepers, you'll be the 3rd to be right. So 1956, finished in Sandy Beige. The paintwork's really nice, as you can see. All the chrome's really nice, as you can see. It's had new tyres and whatnot fitted. It hasn't obviously done any miles on them, so all as new. New wood set fitted, as I said, new interior fitted, new chrome as well. We actually stripped the interior out and refitted it, so it's all really good. So I'll go around one more time and then we'll have a look in the back. So 1956 Sandy Beige, no bubbling, no nastiness on the paint, nice shine, nice chrome. It's had new wings fitted on restoration, so the bodywork's absolutely lovely. Not perfect, as you know, I never describe anything as perfect, but it is sort of a freshly finished project. Not a concourse build, but certainly finished off nicely by us, and the start by the chap that did it during lockdown were really good as well. So new internal cappings, as you can see, headlining there. It's not one of the later headlinings, it's the old solid board types. So all in good order and looks good. New boot liner, which we fitted. Obviously it probably wouldn't have had one of those in new, because it's from the later type, but we've done that, and I think it looks good, so there you go. As you can see, inside the door's all nice and clean. Fresh wood set on her. As you can see, the inner wings there, and then that boot floor and tank all in good order as well. So there you go. We have fitted, as you can see there, so we've fitted aftermarket indicators on a separate switch for safety for the chap that bought it last. It's also had a servo fitted on the brakes to help us stop. Here you go. We'll have a look inside now. So door aperture's all nice and clean. No nastiness there. The trafficators work, and they're on one switch, and then there's your switch for your indicators that we put in as well. So for sure you can use your trafficators, and then on the road, so people can see what you're doing, you can use your indicators, which no holes have been drilled or whatnot. We've just put them on temporary brackets underneath the bumpers and whatnot, or the bumperettes. It's showing 56,642 miles. Obviously there's nothing about that up as being genuine. We've put electric washers on her, and it's also got a 12 volt and USB socket there as well for your sat nav and your phone. There you go. So back seats all in good order, interior, rear cards and whatnot, and the door cards are all in good order. So maroon complements the Sandy Beige paint, I'd say, perfectly. Leather covered steering wheel. Let's have a look. Oh, starter up as well. So there's obviously a pull start, ignition on, pull the start on her. Runs and drives really well. As I say, the brakes are good because she's got a servo fitted. Original dynamo, new wiring loom fitted as well. There you go, servo fitted. The engine runs really well. Electronic washer fitted as well. So she is a newly refurbished car at a very, very, very reasonable price. She's on at 16,995, which is a bit of a bargain. The previous keeper paid a considerable amount more than that for her when it was freshly done, but it's only done 5 miles since, so you can grab yourself a bargain, maybe even make us a bit of an Easter offer on her and get even more of a bargain. So for more details, give us a bell. It's Yorkshire Minor Centre, 01422 881221. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, or the full details on this video will be on www.westridingclassics.co.uk and our YouTube channel and Instagram and whatnot. So they don't come along very often, split screen travellers, and certainly not in this condition. Lovely colour as well, so give us a call. And if you're after anything different Morris Minor wise, give us a bell, because we've got some nice new stock just landed for Easter as well. Got a lovely van, we've got a pickup, we've got a convertible, we've got all sorts. So thanks guys, enjoy your Easter weekend.